All right, guys, I know a couple of you have emailed me or texted me about how to do these titrations. So here's a really quick synopsis. So when you go onto your lab later on today, you're going to click up here in the upper left-hand corner where it says strong acid, strong base. You want to fill your base, your burette, which is this big long tube right here, with a base. Please go in order. See how it's numbered 1, 2, then you're going to go over here to 3, select the acid and the base. See where my pointer is? Pick a strong acid and a strong base. So hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, that's number 3. Select the indicator you want to use. I want you to use the phenolphthalein. It makes things a little bit easier. We're going to do the phenolphthalein. We're going to come over here. We're going to go to 5, push slider up and add a volume of the base. This is where it gets a little bit crazy because you have to be careful that you don't add too much. So when I add some of this base, you're going to notice that down here, it's going to start turning pink. Can you see that? It's barely pink down there. If you go too far, that's what's going to happen. It's going to turn solid pink and you have to start all over again. So let me see if I can get rid of this thing down here. Oh no, did it stop recording? I don't know. Hello, headquarters. I hate screencast. So you know, your tab is being recorded. Okay, so they're recording me. So you're going to have to come over here and you're going to have to reset again. And you're going to have to start all over again. Strong acid, strong base. Fill it with the base. Go to number 3, select your strong acid and your strong base. I think I asked you to do hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. Go down here, pick phenolphthalein. And then you're going to go here. You're going to slide your dropper up. And it's going to start to turn pink. Once you see it start turning pink, which is right there, you're going to have to hit this dropwise. You see how it turns pink and then it disappears? I hope you can see that on the screen recording. Okay. And you're going to keep hitting that until you get the light pink color to stay light pink. Mr. Morrow and I were going to show you this in person on Monday. We had it all set up. But here we are, which we knew was happening. Don't get impatient. Oh, there it is. Because the minute you get impatient and you push this slider up a little bit further, it's going to turn solid pink. See how it's spinning around, but it stayed light pink? That's what you want. So now we have total volume of the base. That's VB, 19.9. We have the volume of, push slider up to add volume of the base, 19.5 milliliters. Okay, is what I added with the slider. So total volume of base, because I added 0.4 by drops. We have to find the volume of our acid, which is down here, 25 milliliters, and the volume, the molarity of our acid, which is 0.1857. So this is MA, this is VA, and right here is VB. What you're trying to find is MB. I'm going to pause you for a second, and I'm going to show you that calculation. Let's see if I can figure out how to